Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create all table cells same size in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show create all table cells same size. Now go to the insert menu option. Now click for a table. Now select from a column and cell. Now click for then show insert from table. This table cell same size. Now select from a all table. Now going to the line color option, then click for a black color. Now click for PT option, then click for a 3 PT and click for borders option. Now click for all borders. That's it. Then again select from all table. Now click for a home menu option. Now click for copy option. That is. Then click for a paste. Now move from table. Then again click for paste. Now move from a table. That is. Then you show create all table cells same size in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.